Hi there, I'm Gheorghe Florin Lucian. I'm a student at the National College Ion Luca Caragiale, Ploiești. I'm going to present you my project called iGrammar. It's a web application which analyzes every word from a phrase you introduce. Its main purpose is to help the Romanian children at their grammar homework. For this I used PHP for the programming part and MySQL for the database part. First of all, to use the application, we have to make an account. Now we must log in. Here in this text area we need to write a sentence or a phrase. Let's check the first sentence. As you can see, the application shows each word's part of speech and the number of sentences existing in the text we wrote before. Let's do another try. As you can see, this is a phrase which contains two sentences. Every word was correctly analyzed. Okay. Secondly, I faced a problem which is represented by the lexicogrammatical homonyms. These are words which are identically written, but they have different meanings and parts of speech. For example, dar, meaning if, is a lexicogrammatical homonym. It can be a noun or a conjunction. Let's try the first value of it. As you can see, the program says that it's a noun. The other value, as you can see, the program says that it's a conjunction, and it's right because it brings together two different sentences, and always it must have a comma before it, and it has, as you can see. The application is completely original and is very useful for the secondary school children. As the accuracy is not 100%, I have to update the database with more lexicogrammatical homonyms. As another future improvement, I'll create a module which delimitates a phrase and shows each type of sentence. And the application will analyze each word more complexly. Also, I'm thinking to create a desktop application with C#. So that's my project. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.